A lot of business owners that I speak to believe you need 3 years accounts to obtain a mortgage, when in fact you only need 1 year's. On this video, I'm going to share that knowledge and show you how to obtain a mortgage with 1 year's accounts. Coming up. Hey, how's it going? My name is Alex Kerr and I'm a qualified mortgage broker. An absolute passion of mine is helping business owners obtain mortgages. On this channel, we provide the best mortgage tips to business owners and first-time buyers. Let's jump into the video. First of all, congratulations in becoming a business owner, either self-employed, sole trader or limited company. Now, the reason I love helping business owners is because I'm on the same journey as you as well and share the same experiences. I'm no different. I want to become a homeowner as quickly as possible. So let's have a look at the requirements which will enable you to obtain a mortgage after just 1 year's trading. So the first item to consider is if you're lucky enough, fortunate enough to have earned a good profit within your first year, then that is the first requirement. You have to have earned a profit. That's a requirement whether you're 1 year old or whether you're 4, 5, 6 years old. Obviously, the mortgage lender is going to have a look at the profit that your business has generated. So if you have been fortunate enough to earn a good profit in your first year, there are a couple of lenders, 1 or 2 lenders out there that may consider giving you a mortgage based on your first year. So fantastic news, you've made a profit in your first year of trading. So what's next? If you are a sole trader, self-employed, okay, you're going to need an SA 302 and you're going to need a tax overview. Okay, now you may submit your own self-assessment accounts, a colleague or a family member may do it, an accountant or bookkeeper may be employed to submit your self-assessment returns. Now, the natural process is that you will receive confirmation of your submission. You will receive the copy of your submission, the form you filled out, that's an SA 100. However, you don't always receive an SA 302 and a tax year overview. Now, these 2 documents are vital. We will come on to limited company owners in a minute because that is different. However, if you're a sole trader, you must get SA 302 tax year overview. All right. Now, you can get that direct from the Inland Revenue, or your bookkeeper or accountant should be able to supply you that. Some lenders will take an equivalent SA 302 dependent on the software that your accountant has used. Please check out the show notes at any point during this video where I provide the link to a download to a tax guide which will show you the exact documents, what they look like and how to obtain it, whether it's via your accountant or going direct to the Inland Revenue. The next element to make sure that is in line is your business bank accounts. Now make sure for that first year of trading you use a business account for your trading. You do not use your own personal account and get all your transaction mixed up with your daily life and your business. That will not put you in good stead. What the lender wants to see is 1 year's bank accounts of good healthy trading with sensible transactions throughout the period that are easy to understand and that you can make sense of. They won't necessarily ask for the whole year's worth of bank statements. They may ask for the last 3 months. But when you're going for a mortgage with 1 year's accounts, I would say as a rule of thumb, expect the unexpected. Be prepared for every eventuality. Make sure that you don't leave any stone unturned. Okay, so assuming we've got your profit, you've made a profit, you've got the right documents, okay? You've got healthy bank statements. The last item you're going to need is a 5% deposit, okay, in order to obtain a mortgage. Now, there are lenders that will lend you between 4.5 and now, at the point of making this video, up to 5.5 times your income. Now, as a sole trader, it will be your net profit which is looked at, okay? As a limited company owner, it will be either your salary plus your dividends or your salary plus net profit, which is what they use to make the calculation. Okay, now assuming everything is in order, all right, you've got your 5% deposit, you are ready to start looking for properties. Now, one thing I wanted to add was that if you are a limited company owner, okay, the mortgage lender will also expect 1 year's trading accounts signed by a qualified accountant. Let me just repeat that. As a limited company owner, the mortgage lender will expect accounts, signed trading accounts by a qualified accountant. If you do your own accounts as a limited company and you submit them yourself, or you have a friend, a colleague, a family member, even a bookkeeper, okay, there are lenders who will not accept that. Now, there are one or two who might, and it would be a struggle with 1 year's accounts. I wouldn't suggest it, and I wouldn't take on a mortgage myself in that position. You must have a qualified accountant do your accounts as a limited company owner if you want the best chance in obtaining a mortgage with 1 year's accounts. All right, so that's really clear. Little recap. 1, you've made a profit. All right, you must have made a profit. 2, you've got the right documents. SA 302, tax year overview, and if you're a limited company owner, you'll need 1 year's trading accounts by a signed accountant, a qualified accountant, should I say. All right, then we will need 1 year's good-looking bank statements, sensible transactions that you can make sense of. If all looks good there, the last piece of the puzzle is a 5% deposit, okay? If you've got all those elements in place, congratulations, you can potentially obtain a mortgage with 1 year's accounts, all right? Now, personally, I advise trying to gear yourself up and prepare yourself with 2 or 3 years accounts, because you will have a much better chance in succeeding for a mortgage. However, it's not impossible. If you've met all the elements with 1 year's trading, you're going to be able to obtain a mortgage, all right? So you don't have to worry about 2 or 3. The longer trading you've got, obviously the less risk you are to the lender. Just a little tip. There is a very, very small number of lenders who will help you with 1 year's trading. Okay, so if you are looking for a mortgage based on 1 year's trading, then I would strongly recommend seeking out a mortgage broker rather than looking up and down the high street and looking for specialist lenders yourself. You're going to find it very difficult. Okay, a mortgage broker will know the lenders to go to. All right, very best of luck. Question of the day. Have you made a profit within your first year's trading and want to buy a house or property? Let me know in the comments. As a responsible mortgage brokerage, we are obliged to tell you that your home may be repossessed if you do not keep up repayments of your mortgage. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If it's the first time we're meeting, please consider subscribing or ringing the bell. I've been Alex Kurt from Mortgage Chain, and we bring the best mortgage tips to business owners and first-time buyers. Until next time, please keep crushing it, and we will see you soon.